Hi, I'm Cindy Donovan, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to expose the single biggest myth in e-commerce and how with this new breakthrough technology, you can turn your measly 4% commissions into 20, 100 or 500% payouts with exactly the same products as before. Now don't get me wrong, affiliate marketing is great. You can sell products without having to make them, pay for them up front. You don't have to keep them in stock or even worry about delivering them to your customers. But when you're selling physical e-commerce products, we've been told that taking low commissions is just a sacrifice that you've got to make, right? It's okay, I've been there. I know the frustration of working hard to make a store, fill it with products that I think are going to sell, and then suffer that disappointment when my earnings didn't even reach a whole dollar. Then I discovered a better way that lets me skip the middleman and go direct to the wholesaler, charge whatever I want while selling exactly the same product and pocket the profits. Maybe you've heard of this kind of selling. It's called drop shipping, and maybe you've even tried to do it and quickly discovered that finding the right products from the right wholesalers at the right prices and then going through the whole runaround needed to actually get that product to your customer turns out to be much more trouble than it's worth. I mean, let's be real here. You're online because you want financial freedom and the lifestyle that comes with it, not to be chained to your computer 24/7 dealing with technical hassles and time-wasting maintenance. You want easy, simple, profitable, fast. That's why I'd like to invite you inside Gecko. Gecko is a unique new eCom store building software that completely skips all the hard work, handing you a store filled with guaranteed hot sellers that earn you real profits without the fuss. That said, it's much more than just an amazing piece of software. It's an easy to follow 3-step formula for making money in e-commerce. A system you can replicate over and over again and scale up so you can easily grow your profits into a healthy full-time income. With Gecko, you'll benefit from a super simple setup. With just a few clicks, you'll have your store live and ready to take orders. This is great news because you're not wasting your time on complicated technical stuff. You can dive straight into unleashing the true money-making power of the software. Cloud hosted and ready to go. We'll host your store and campaigns for you. You don't need your own hosting account. Heck, you don't even need a domain name. Even better, after you make your smart investment on this page today, there are no other hidden costs or components needed to make this work. Built-in product assistant. You'll get insider statistics for the best products to promote, including everything from the number of sales and number of social media shares to the recommended prices that you should set. You'll get access to the latest prices, color variations, sizes, and product types in that campaign every day like clockwork. So you've always got the newest of the best products at the best available prices online. Guaranteed wholesaler approval and management. There's no risk of being rejected or finding out that your country isn't supported. These wholesale providers ship to over 220 countries worldwide, and with our one-click Chrome extension, you don't even need to talk to them. Just click a button and it forwards all the customer shipping details, it places the order, and you're done. Automatic sales boosters. Use sales spiking techniques used by e-com moguls like Groupon, eBay, Walmart, Best Buy and GameStop. Add countdown timers for special offers, card expire urgency timers, buy buttons, on sale, bestseller, top rated tags and much more. You can get the advantages your competition could only dream about having right at your fingertips without any extra expense. Gecko is a complete e-commerce solution. Dropshipping is actually just the tip of the iceberg. Many of our members start with our easy setup dropshipping solution and find that the income from this more than meets their needs. Our more ambitious members have taken full advantage of everything our software offers, including the ability to sell affiliate products or even digital products, setting up retargeting ready campaigns, using your own domain name, taking payments in different currencies, one-click checkout and upsells, and a whole lot more, all included without any extra hidden fees. Now, to be honest, you could achieve most of this on your own. You would have to pay for hosting and domain names and then spend hours upon hours on futile manual research in order to find the winning campaigns. Then there's the custom coding needed to create your actual eCom store and manage ordering and shipping the products over to those customers, which would also get quite expensive. But don't worry, I'm going to save you a lot of time and money today. However, I have to warn you, there's a catch on securing your copy of Gecko. I'm only releasing a limited amount of copies available at the low introductory price you see below. Now, since this software is cloud-based and we take care of all the hosting costs, there is naturally only space for so many people before these servers fill up. Once that happens, I will have to close this page down until I can install more servers, and when Gecko opens again, it's going to be at a higher price. Now, I know this puts a bit of pressure on you, so I'm going to do everything in my power to make your decision today extremely simple. You can grab your copy of Gecko today, and if for some reason you don't see the results I'm promising, right now you're covered by my ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, because of the limited nature of this offer, I don't want to take up too much more of your time, so if you still see the buy button below, I recommend clicking it right now to secure your copy before it's too late. Once again, I'm extremely excited for you to jump in and get started. So click the button now and I'll see you on the inside.
Hi there and welcome to the demo video for Gecko. During this video, I'm going to show you just how easy and quickly you can create your own e-commerce store just like you see right here in just a matter of minutes. So as you can see, this looks great. So let's go ahead and jump over to the dashboard of this store and let me kind of run through here and show you how things work. So on the left hand side, you'll see that we have a bunch of different options. Now, I'm not going to cover every single option, obviously. You know how coupons work and things like that. You have a list of your customers, things that you would expect. But let me show you just how easy you can add products to your store, and then I'll show you some more awesome things. So if we go ahead and click on products, you'll notice that we have My Products, which is a list of all the products that we currently have on the store. We can import hot products as a drop shipper, where we're going to drop ship these. We can import them as an affiliate, where we are simply an affiliate for the product, or we can even discover new products. So if I actually head over here to AliExpress, I am inside of the AliExpress portals. AliExpress will give you a list of all of their hottest selling products happening right now. And you'll notice that we can select the category up here at the top. So men's clothing, for example, and they're going to give me all of the hottest selling men's clothing. And if I go down a little bit further here, we have these download buttons where I can download a full list of the hottest selling AliExpress men's clothing items. So that's all I'm going to do is I'm going to download that. I'm then going to jump back over here to my dashboard, and I want to import these as a drop shipper, which means if I go ahead and click on that, I can change the pricing and increase the price, and then I profit the difference, okay? So we have our margin type. We can charge a % higher or a fixed fee higher. Okay, so let's do a %. And for the margin amount, let's just say I want it to be 50% higher on both of these here. And then we can see over here the price in AliExpress, for example, would be $10, and then my price would be $15. And if it's $5, it'd be $7, and so forth. And we can even add on a cents at the end if we wanted to, so every price ends in 97 cents, for example. Then down here, we can drag and drop the file that we just downloaded from AliExpress. So once we have that selected, I'm going to click on Import and Publish. And just like that, I imported 39 new products into my store. The price has already been adjusted and everything like that. Now let me show you how cool our product pages are. So back on my store here, AliExpress is always running sales, right? They always have limited time sales. And once we import our products, those limited time sales are automatically imported as well. So you'll see here, 67% off, 54% off, 56% off. That's all happening automatically for us. I didn't have to make any or change any settings inside of the platform. And if I click on this, you're going to notice a lot of cool things here. We have the sales price. This is an actual sale that's happening on AliExpress. We have a countdown timer. This is a real countdown timer that is also happening on AliExpress. So in 2 days and 3 hours and 45 minutes, this sale is literally going to go away. And it's going to happen automatically. You don't have to do anything. So while they can add this to the cart and buy this product right now, if they wait for 2 days and 3 more hours, this product is going to go away, and instead of an add to cart button, there's going to be an email form that allows them to opt in so they can be notified the next time this product is available. So this is real scarcity automatically built in and imports it from AliExpress. Nothing you have to do on your end. Something else I want to mention, which is really cool, you've seen that we can import products as a drop shipper or as an affiliate. If you import them as a drop shipper, they can add products to their cart. It says add to cart, and they can check out and buy the products through you, and then you, of course, would fulfill them with AliExpress. If you are importing products as an affiliate, this will say buy now, and they'll go straight to AliExpress to buy that product. Okay? So now let me show you how easy it is to fulfill your products once someone actually places an order. Let's go ahead and head back over here and go inside of our orders. And inside of the order page, you can see that we have a lot of different orders already coming in, and all we have to do is click on the order that we want to fulfill. So I'll go with this one for example. And when that opens up, we have all the details, the items they ordered, the amount, their billing address, their shipping address, all of that important information. And all we have to do as a drop shipper is open up the order page as you see right now, and then all we have to do is click on the Chrome extension that came with Gecko. Okay, we can see it up here in the top right hand corner. All we're going to do is click on this, and that's going to instantly redirect me to AliExpress right here at the payment method section, where I can insert my information and buy this product, and that's automatically going to ship to the buyer of my website. If we scroll up here, we can actually see that the shipping information was automatically fulfilled by default. Automatically, we didn't have to enter anything. All I did was click on the Chrome extension, and it automatically redirected me here. The shipping information is entered automatically. The product is selected automatically. We can see that it cost us $10.33, and all we have to do is enter our payment information, and we can even save this for future reference, so we don't even have to enter our payment information anymore after this. We enter that information, we place our order down here for $10.33. And if I jump back over here to my order screen, we can see that we charged $27.49. So we made a nice profit there. And then all I have to do is go back to my order screen, click on another order, open it up, click on the Chrome extension, and then go through the same process. It automatically fills out all the important information, and all you have to do is buy the product. Alright, so far I've showed you how easy it is to import products into your store, how to place the orders for you, the real scarcity and opt-in forms that are automatically applied to your products. Here is an example of a product where the sale has ended. In fact, as you can see, the deal has expired. They cannot purchase this. However, they can insert their email address and then sign up for your email list, and then you can always email them, mark it to them later, and let them know when this deal is available once again. So I know that was a lot of content throughout this demo video, so just to recap, you can customize your store however you like. I didn't really show that inside of the demo, but that's something that you can play with once you sign up. You can make it look however you want it to look. You can import products with just a few clicks of the button through AliExpress. You can fulfill your orders with one click of a button by clicking your Chrome extension that you're also going to receive. You have a blog that you can run as well. And all in all, this is your complete e-commerce solution. So thanks for watching the demo video, and I look forward to seeing you inside of the platform.